Hello there. So, just going for a walk. Supposed to be going to Koh Larn sometime today. So I just thought I'd do this video. Nice. It's getting a bit late in the day. I don't know if we'll go today or not. Yeah, depends on the boat and all that. It's really windy at the moment. It could be choppy. Right, so I'm down to my last 60 baht. I'm looking for a cash machine from the Bank of Thailand. They give the best exchange rates. All the others give you 38 Thai baht to the pound. And Bank of Thailand give you what's going, and it's currently 43 Thai baht to the pound. It makes a difference. It's just hard work finding one. Right, so at night time, that ship out there, you can see it, it's always lit up, and I've got a theory that it's been there, it just never moves since I got here. I reckon it's a floating restaurant. You see boats go and come from it. It's never moved. But the one here, I think that's shipwrecked, because it stays in that direction, it just never moves. I think it's bottomed out. Yeah, that one is definitely definitely a cafe or a restaurant or something. Look at that, look. Right near the beach. Imagine that hotel. It's like the shape of a boat. How cool is that? Right, so I've noticed there's a lot of abandoned buildings down here. Yeah, a lot of hotels, derelict. Like the one here, just derelict. I don't know what happened. I think COVID killed them all off. Look at this poor little dog, look. Check this out. You need some water, mate, don't you? Basically, I've got to the end, yeah. The road ran out and it went down that way. So I thought I'd come down to the water. It's really calm, really calm. For a beach. See where the tides moved. Let's go over to these stones. Have a feel. See if it's any different down here. The temperature warmer. Let's have a look. Oh, it's actually quite warm compared to what I was doing the other day when I went in it. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Oh wow. It's like you know, in England when you have kids, you have a little paddling pool in the garden. You leave it in the sun, and it goes a little bit warm. Just like that. Exactly like that. Lovely. Okay, so tranquil. Oh, there's one of those classic fishing boats with like the strimmer sticking out the end. Hot. It's hot. It's hot. Never experienced anything like this. It's hot. And you only got to be out there for a few minutes and it's hot. Having hair like mine, I need to get it shaved off. It's not healthy. It just drips down your face, goes in your eyes, and it's just, it's horrible. It really is. But I went into I didn't realise it's just like a shop, just up, not going into all the crazy shit, but up. It gets a bit more tame as the further you go that way. Yeah, it's called Tops today or something like that, I don't know. But they don't speak English in there, not like 7-Eleven, they actually speak some English. But it doesn't really matter, does it? You're buying something, you see the number on the till, hand your money over, they hand it back. And you say thank you, and they copy you, but they say thank you, you, thank you. Oh, it makes me laugh. But yeah, the further I go that way, I've noticed there's not much English, it's more going towards Thai. Most of the buildings, it's all in Thai, where down that way in the crazy area, it seems to be more English aimed, it's all in writing in English. So I found that quite interesting actually. I actually like it up there, and the shop is cheap. So I bought a bottle of Pepsi because they had no water. I can't believe they had no water. But yeah, it is what it is. So I got this bottle of Pepsi. It cost me 17 baht. 17 baht, however you pronounce it. 17 baht, we call it. That's like 40p maybe, 40 pence for a bottle of Pepsi. £1, about £1.40 in England. Okay, it's a 410. You see that? It's 410 millilitres. It's a bit shy of a bottle we get. I've noticed that about here. They'll scam you on everything. I bought a bottle of these, a bag. Well, it's obviously it's Lay's, yeah, Lay's crisps. Didn't know what that said. I presume from the colours it's cheese and onion. It's probably got bugs in it. But I can guarantee you now, quarter of that is just going to be crisps. The rest of it's just air. They just make it. It's a scam, yeah. And then there's other packets which are smaller. It's the same portion. It is the same portion. They say it's cheaper to buy the big ones. So I buy the big ones. Actually, I'm going to open it up and we'll have a look. You can't get into it. It's bomb-proof. Oh, use your brains, mate. Use your brains. There's these little things on top. That's how you open shit, yeah? Bit different back home, you just go ripping and then the packet goes everywhere and the crisps all over the floor. Here, yeah. Just rip this little. Yeah. Half. Literally half. Literally half there. Not too bad. I'm going to actually see what flavour these are. Ready salted with blue. I thought ready salted was red. I could have just used Google Translate, but I was in a rush. I wanted to get out of the heat. Yeah. These cost me, I think they cost me like 20p. 20p for a packet of crisps. It's mad, isn't it? Man, it's so cheap to live here. I came out here with £200. I've just gone halfway. Coming up to halfway. If worst case scenario, I'll just use a credit card. Not a problem. Get it paid up when I get home. But yeah, I'm getting by on about 8 pence, about 8 quid a day. That's hotel's already paid that way. Yeah, 8 quid a day. It's not bad going. Modest living, I'd say. Go out every night. Buy people beers. They buy me smoothies. No. It's cheap if you can live on Coke. If you can drink Coca-Cola, you can take out 200 baht, 300 a night, easy. Not a problem. Try that at home. Try that in England. It's 40, 50 quid just for a night out. Yeah. I still like it. They are nice. They're not as not as crinkly as the ones back home, are they? I think these taste better. Oh, much better. Proper salty. How I like it. Better. I need some bread. I could make a crisp sandwich, couldn't I? No, there's me. I was coming out here to get the tooth fixed. I went a bit wrong, but didn't get it done. Yeah, and to eat healthy. I have been eating healthy, I guess. It's 50-50. Yeah, mostly I've been eating fruit, nuts, just like what I do back home, but more fruit here. I'm getting like 10 mangoes a day. 10 mangoes a day, because I have smoothies. No sugar added, it's just natural fruit with some ice. About 10 mangoes a day. Probably have a packet of crisp maybe, or some nuts a day. And that's my meals. That's what I eat. I have chips in the evening if I go to the night market. But I've only been to the night market twice since I've been here. I might go tonight actually. I might go down tonight and get some more chips. They were amazing. Amazing chips. Yeah, I think that's it really. Sorry it's a bit boring, but I'm not really planning on doing much today, except maybe go to Koh Larn. Definitely get lots of content there. A hell of a lot of content. So yeah, see you in the next one. Oh, subscribe.